guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's Walgreens video. If this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video. And if you have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section and I'll get to it. I have a digital spend booster of spend $40, get $10 Walgreen cash. I will try to do a small transaction to see if the paper spend booster will print for me. These items I'll pick up will not give back any register reward or Walgreen cash, and that's on February small spaces. They on sale for 3 for $9. I will pick up 3. We currently have a $2.30 coupon in our app. I'm going to use the $2.30 coupons we got from the 4/7 savings set, and I'm going to use 3. That will drop it down to $2.10 or 70 cents each. This transaction worked out. The 3 coupons came off, leaving me to pay just $2.10 plus tax. I redeemed $2 Walgreen cash and paid just 80 cents out of pocket. And lucky enough, I got a paper spend booster. The first deal I'll pick up will be on Colgate products. They're on sale for $4.50, and when you buy 2 or more, you get back $4 register reward. I'm going to pick up 1 toothbrush, and I'm also going to pick up one of the Colgate Optic White toothpaste. Both items will total $9. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste, and we also have a $2 coupon for the toothbrush. After the 2 coupons are applied, it will drop it down to $5, and I'll get $4 register reward back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. If you're doing this deal and you're not using a spend booster, you can use Walgreen cash to pay for it. The next easy freebie deal I'll add to this transaction will be on Crest toothpaste. They're on sale for $3, and when you buy 2, you get $3 register reward back. I'm going to pick up 2 of the toothpaste on sale for $3. That will total $6. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 3, and I'll get $3 register reward back, making both free. Just like the Colgate, if you're not using any spend booster, you can also use Walgreen cash to pay for this deal. The last deal I'll add to this transaction will be the buy 2 get $5 register reward back, and Downy Unstoppable is part of this deal. It's on sale for $10.99. The second item I'll add to this deal will be the Gain detergent, 88 flow ounces, on sale for $9.99. These 2 items are going to total $20.98. We have a $3 digital coupon for the Gain, and we also have a $3 digital coupon for the Downy. After these 2 coupons apply, it will drop it down to $14.98, and I'll get $5 register reward back, making both just $9.98 or $4.99 each. With these 3 deals I have, I'm still not at $40 to be able to use my 2 spend boosters. What I'm going to do is pick up 3 of the small spaces at 3 for $9, and I'm going to use 3 of the $2.30 paper coupon we got from the 4/7 savings set. These are everything I'll pick up in this transaction, and the total for all these products is $44.98. That's it's way past my spend booster. And the coupons I mentioned earlier on that I'll use with this deal, the total is $19.90. After these coupons apply, it's going to drop it down to $25.08. I plan on using some of my previously earned register reward, and I'll pay the rest out of pocket. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see the 2 Colgate products I picked up, the Gain, the Crest toothpaste, the Downy, and the 3 Febreze small spaces. And on my coupon section, I ended up using $15 register reward to help with this. My 3 coupons for the small spaces came off. That's the $2.30 for each one. The $3 for the Gain detergent came off. The $3 for the Downy came off. The $2 for the Colgate, 1 for the Colgate toothpaste, and 1 for the Colgate toothbrush, and also the 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Crest. They all came off. That dropped my subtotal to $10.08, and I paid that out of pocket plus tax, and I got back $4 register reward for buying 2 of the Colgate products, and a $3 register reward for buying 2 of the Crest products, and a $5 register reward for buying the Gain and the Downy products. And I also received $17 in Walgreen cash That's one for the digital booster or spend 40 get $10 Walgreen cashback, and a $7 for the paper spend booster or spend 40 get $7 Walgreen cash. And after all these rewards, that's the register reward and the Walgreen cash, this transaction ended up being free and $3.92 moneymaker. If you don't have the paper coupon for the Febreze small spaces from the 4/7 saving set, another way you can do this deal, pick up one of the Febreze small spaces, and the second item you will pick up will be the plug-in warmer. It's part of the 3 for $9, but right now my store is currently out. And the third item you need will be the spray. It's part of the 3 for $9. For the warmer, we have a $2.30 digital coupon. And for the spray, we also have a $2.30 digital coupon. And for the small spaces, we have a $2.30 digital coupon. That means you can do this deal all digital. And after these 3 coupons come off, it will drop it down to $2.10, which you can pay with Walgreen cash if you're not using any spend booster. The next deal I'll share will be on Dove Men body wash. They're on sale for $7 each, and when you buy 2 or more, you get $4 register reward back. Pick up 2 and that will total $14. We have a 4 off 2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to 10 and you get $4 register reward back, which will end up making 2 of them just $6 or $3 each. If you don't have the 4 off 2 coupon in our app, you can submit your receipt to Shopmium and you will get back $4 for buying 2. If you can find the Dove body wash, the one that says sea salt and citrus exfoliating, if you can find 2 of them, that will even make it a better deal, because Ibotta is giving back $2 on each, limit of 3, which will end up making both bottles just $2 or $1 each. I did not do this deal today because my store have only 1 bottle. The next item I have here is the Walgreen brand toilet paper. They are priced at $5. Check your app. We currently have a $1.25 coupon that will drop it down to just $3.75. If you need it, you can pick it up. The next deal I have is on Angel soft toilet paper. They're on the deal of buy 3, get $3 register reward, and they're on sale for 2 for $9, and you can pick up the third one at $4.99. Picking up 3 will total $13.99, and we have a $1.50 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to $12.49, and you get $3 register reward back, making all 3 just $9.49 or $3.16 each. And this concludes my video today. I hope it was helpful enough. Thank you all for watching it, and thank you all for your support and coming back every week to support my channel, and I'll talk to you all next time.